Thank you for calling customer service. How can I help you? Hi, the product I purchased from you no longer works, and I wanted to know if I could return it for a replacement. Of course you can. Our no-hassle 30-day return policy makes getting a replacement super easy. When did you purchase the product? Well, that's the thing. The warranty expired yesterday, which was Sunday, and when I called, I got a recording saying that you were closed that day. That's odd. We're open 7 days a week. What time did you call? Around 11 a.m. On Sundays, we're open from 7 to 8. 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.? No, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Right. So what does this mean for you helping me? Can you still under the warranty under these circumstances? Regretfully, I can't, as this is beyond our no-hassle 30-day return policy. But the good news is we're currently offering 10% off all of our products site-wide. So now's the best time to purchase that replacement. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Wait, I don't want to buy a new... Hello?